Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, edit and resize the images in ChatGPT. So let us first see how to create image in a ChatGPT. So let us head over to the ChatGPT over here. So here I am going to use the ChatGPT Plus, which is a paid version of ChatGPT because it is a bit faster. So I am going to use ChatGPT Plus in this video, but you can also use ChatGPT free version to create the image as well. So here in a chat, let us enter the prompt. Create an image of a young woman reading a book under a cherry blossom tree in a watercolor style, soft lightning, petals falling gently around her. Next, let us submit the prompt over here. So ChatGPT usually take 1 or 2 minutes to generate the image. So let us wait for it. So look at the ChatGPT generated image over here. This is looking awesome, right? So as per the prompt input, ChatGPT has created the image. Next, let us say you want this image in a landscape format, that is in a horizontal format. So by default, ChatGPT generated image in a vertical format. But let us say you want this image in a landscape format, that is in a horizontal format. Then what you can do is you can add the follow-up questions here. So here just type the prompt, update the above image in landscape format. Hit enter. And there we go, ChatGPT has generated an image in a landscape format. So this is how you can create the image using ChatGPT. Next, let us see how to edit the ChatGPT generated images. So in order to edit the ChatGPT generated image, just click on the image over here, and here you can see the option select. So just click on the select button. It enables the ChatGPT image editor interface. So the ChatGPT image editor interface enables you to edit the images by selecting an area of the image to edit by describing your changes in the chat. You can see inside the chat, you can describe what you want to add, remove or replace. You can select the part of the image that you want to edit. And here you can see the options. You can also undo, redo by using these two buttons over here. And if you want to edit a particular part of the image, you can just select that part and describe that part over here. Like if you want to add something to that part, you can just describe over here. If you want to remove that part, you can describe over here. If you want to replace that part, you can describe over here. So this is the option that ChatGPT gives us to add, remove or replace the part of the image by using this ChatGPT image editor interface. For example, let us say we want to add some birds in the tree. For that, we can select the area over here like this. And here we can describe what we want to add to this image. For example, here let us say we want to add animated birds in the selected area. Next, just submit this prompt. Just wait a couple of seconds. And there we go, you can see the ChatGPT edited image over here. We have highlighted this part to add the birds to this image. So ChatGPT successfully added the birds. So this is how you can edit the part of the image using ChatGPT image editor interface. Next, click on this image and go to the select option over here. Here let us say you want to remove some parts of the image. Then you can just highlight it and just describe that part. Like if you want to remove, you can just describe remove this part from the image like that. Or let us say if you want to replace this bird with some other birds, that you can do by highlighting this particular part. So this is how you can edit the image by using this ChatGPT image editor interface itself. Okay, let us say if you want to add some title to this image, then that you can describe over here. For example, let me undo this, and here let me describe like add a title ChatGPT created image, something like that, and hit enter. Let us wait couple of seconds now. And there we go. You can see the title is successfully added to the image. So this is how you can tell ChatGPT to update the part of the image and also add a title to the image. So if you want to add a text to the image, then you can do like this. Alright. Now let us see how to resize the ChatGPT generated image. Well, ChatGPT don't have a capability to resize the images in a pixels, though it can resize the image from vertical to horizontal. For example, this is the vertical image. It can resize into horizontal like this, but it can't have a capability to resize the image in a pixels like 1000 into 1000 pixels. For example, let us say we want to use this image as a thumbnail to our YouTube video. Then what we can do is we can just download this image and we can resize that image as per YouTube thumbnail resolution using Canva tool. Okay, so here just download this image and go to the Canva. It is free, just sign up and use the Canva. So go to the canva.com and click on this YouTube thumbnail over here, and here just drag and drop the image that we have just downloaded from the ChatGPT. So go to the downloads and just drag and drop this image over here. Let us resize this image over here. So this is how you can resize the image by using Canva. So if you want this part, what you can do is you can just undo this. Okay, let us say you want this entire image, then you can just drag like this, and this part is not covered. So in order to cover this, we can fill the background color. For example, just select the background and go to the background color, and here Canva suggested some background colors as per the image. So just select one of the color over here like this. Now this image looks good. Okay, so this is how you can resize the ChatGPT generated image using Canva. Next, you can download this image and you can use as a YouTube thumbnail. So let me recap what we have done in this video. We have seen how to create an image using ChatGPT, how to update the image using ChatGPT, like we have converted the vertical image into landscape image, and then we have seen how to update the part of the image using ChatGPT image editor interface, and we have also seen how to resize the ChatGPT generated image using Canva tool. Okay, great. I will see you in the next video.